In the digital age, video content reigns supreme. Businesses, educators, and individuals are leveraging its power to engage audiences and convey messages effectively. Invideo AI emerges as a game changer in this landscape, offering a user-friendly platform to create professional quality videos. No matter your technical expertise, Invideo AI empowers you to produce captivating videos that captivate and convert. Invideo AI simplifies video creation with its intuitive interface and powerful AI-driven tools. From crafting stunning intros and outros to incorporating captivating animations and transitions, Invideo AI streamlines the entire process. The platform boasts a vast library of templates, stock footage, and music tracks, providing you with all the resources needed to bring your vision to life. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or a complete novice, Invideo AI equips you with the tools for success. Simplifying video production. In a crowded market of video editing software, Invideo AI stands out for its user-friendly approach and powerful features. Unlike complex professional-grade software, Invideo AI eliminates the steep learning curve, making it accessible to anyone. Its intuitive drag-and-drop interface simplifies the editing process, allowing you to focus on your creative vision. Beyond its ease of use, Invideo AI is packed with features that streamline video production. The platform's AI engine powers intelligent features like automated video transcription, text-based video editing, and even the creation of videos from scratch using only text prompts. These AI-powered tools save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on crafting compelling narratives and delivering impactful messages. Creating professional-looking videos with Invideo AI is a breeze. The platform's intuitive design guides you through the process, making it simple even for beginners. Let's break down the video creation process into easy-to-follow steps. 1. Choose a template or start from scratch. Invideo AI offers a vast library of professionally designed templates categorized by industry and video type. Select a template that aligns with your vision, or opt to start with a blank canvas for complete creative control. 2. Customize your video. Once you've chosen a template or a blank canvas, the real fun begins. Upload your own media files, including videos, images, and audio, or leverage Invideo AI's extensive library of stock footage and music tracks. 3. Edit with ease. Invideo AI's drag-and-drop interface makes editing effortless. Add text, transitions, animations, and special effects with a few clicks. Trim and split video clips, adjust audio levels, and fine-tune every aspect of your video to perfection. 4. Enhance with AI leverage. Invideo AI's intelligent features to take your videos to the next level. Use the text-to-video tool to generate entire scenes from text prompts, automatically transcribe your videos for accessibility, or let the AI suggest relevant stock footage and music based on your content. 5. Export and share. Once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, export your video in various resolutions and formats optimized for different platforms. Share your creation directly to social media, embed it on your website, or download it for later use. In the age of short attention spans, keeping your videos concise and engaging is crucial for capturing and retaining viewers' attention. While Invideo AI empowers you to create videos of any length, aiming for a duration of around 8 minutes strikes a balance between conveying your message effectively and holding viewers' interest. To ensure your 8-minute videos captivate from start to finish, focus on delivering value concisely. Start with a strong hook that grabs viewers' attention within the first few seconds. Maintain a brisk pace, using clear and concise language to convey your message effectively. Break down complex topics into easily digestible segments, utilizing visuals and animations to enhance understanding. Avoid unnecessary fluff or tangents that might distract viewers from the core message. Section 5. The Power of Text-to-Video, Unleashing AI Creativity. Invideo AI's text-to-video tool is a game-changer for content creators, enabling you to generate entire video scenes from simple text prompts. This revolutionary feature leverages the power of artificial intelligence to transform written words into compelling visuals, opening up a world of creative possibilities. Imagine typing a few sentences describing a product demo, an explainer video, or even a short animated story, and watching in awe as Invideo AI brings your words to life. The text-to-video tool analyzes your text, selects relevant visuals from its vast library, and even adds background music and sound effects, creating a polished video segment within minutes. Section 6, Collaboration made easy, boosting team productivity. Invideo AI understands that video creation is often a collaborative effort. That's why the platform offers features designed to streamline teamwork and boost productivity. With Invideo AI, you can seamlessly collaborate with team members, clients, or stakeholders, ensuring everyone is on the same page throughout the video creation process. Invideo AI's collaborative workflow allows multiple users to access and edit the same project simultaneously, eliminating the need for back-and-forth email chains or confusing file versions. Team members can leave comments and feedback directly within the platform, ensuring clear communication and efficient revisions. Section 7. Invideo AI for everyone, free plan and beginner-friendly. Invideo AI is committed to making video creation accessible to everyone, regardless of budget or technical expertise. The platform offers a generous free plan that provides access to a wide range of features, allowing you to experience the power of Invideo AI firsthand without any financial commitment. The free plan is perfect for individuals, small businesses, and educators looking to dip their toes into the world of video creation. It provides a taste of Invideo AI's capabilities, allowing you to create and share high-quality videos without breaking the bank. As your needs grow, you can seamlessly upgrade to a paid plan to unlock even more features and resources. Section 8. Real-world impact Invideo AI success stories. Invideo AI has empowered countless businesses, educators, and individuals to elevate their content and achieve their goals through the power of video. From small startups to Fortune 500 companies, Invideo AI's user-friendly platform and powerful features have helped users across industries create impactful videos that drive results. Marketing teams leverage Invideo AI to create engaging social media content, eye-catching video ads, and informative product demos. Educators use the platform to develop interactive lessons, engaging presentations, and informative explainer videos. Social media influencers rely on Invideo AI to produce high-quality content that resonates with their audiences and grows their online presence. Section 9. Ready to transform your content? Start with Invideo AI today. In the ever-evolving digital landscape, video content is no longer optional, it's essential. Invideo AI empowers you to harness the power of video to engage your audience, convey your message effectively, and achieve your goals. With its user-friendly interface, powerful AI-driven tools, and collaborative workflow, Invideo AI makes video creation accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Don't wait any longer to unlock the potential of video marketing. Sign up for Invideo AI's free plan today and experience the transformative power of this revolutionary platform. Start creating captivating videos that captivate your audience, elevate your brand, and drive results.